Welcome back, everybody. I'm here in Dhaka, Bangladesh. I landed this morning, actually like 4 in the morning, and now it's around like 1 p.m. The weather is pretty nice, no clear sky, just humidity, but a little bit stuffy, but just like a normal Asian countries. It's just a little bit hotter. And if you can see, the clouds hazy today, foggy. But anyways, I'm here at the RADISSON BLU waterfront 5-star hotel. This hotel is really big. As you can see, I'm walking around the park here, and in front of me I can see the pool, the swimming pool. I will show you guys a bit about the room. I came this morning, actually like 4. So when I arrived at the airport, what surprised me was, so there's so many of mosquitoes, guys. Like, I cannot believe it. Like, they are everywhere at the airport, like, and they are super huge. I don't know, I never been in the Amazon forest, but they are like so big. And this during the COVID-19, I don't know, they bit somebody's already, and then oh my gosh, that was so scary. Then I checked on the Google, that's why there's so many mosquitoes here. There's like 130 plus species here, but the 2 main species, they're breeding in last November until March because of rainy season. And I understand for that, because everywhere, like in Asia country, like even in Thailand, we have a lot of mosquitoes, but they come out, they have like a timing scheduling for them, like 6 evening, 7, 8, and no more, but here they're like flying 24 hours. Even now I'm working around like 1 p.m. I could see a little bit of flies and bugs, so I better get into the room before I get bite. And it's not good for now. Well, I just walk around a little bit, and then I will show you the rooms inside. Pretty big rooms, and keep watching. Little sofa there, little couch, and what I like in here, we have working corner, and it's a lot of plugs in here. It's easy for me too, because in Doha we use the same kind of plug, like the 3 legs like this. So I just plug it in and ready to go, ready to charge. Big bed, king side, nice. I just see this little balcony here. I don't think that I can go out. Nah, but better not to. And this is really nice. It's the new normal stuff, like every hotel that I go, besides the amenities like soaps and everything, they have this for us. Very good. Alright, I'm here at the cafe. So I'll just get some cappuccino and some of the chocolate donuts. Let me show you guys with the menu what they have for the drinks menu. Look at this. It's pretty expensive for the alcohol prices. Really, look at this. Okay, let's see some of the beer. I think it's like a Tiger and Heineken. Let me check. That's a lot actually. Let's see. Some cocktails are here. There you go. So $7.90 is like 10 US dollar or 30 Qatari riyal. Do you use knife and fork when you're eating donuts? Well, to be honest, I normally don't use this cutlery for eating donuts, but I'm here at the cafe and I don't want to dirty my hands. Do you use this? Let me know on the comment down below what you think about Dhaka and Bangladesh, or if you have been here before, and if you like the coffee, cappuccino. Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed my video in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye bye.